Welcome to Built by Machines, a channel that explores the harmony between nature and engineering, tradition and technology. Today, we're diving into the rich golden world of olive oil, a substance so precious, it was once used to crown kings, light the night and pay imperial taxes. And now, you drizzle it over salad. But how did it get from sacred symbol to everyday staple? Let's go to the source, where sun, stone and science meet. More than 6,000 years ago, the olive tree was first cultivated in the eastern Mediterranean. In ancient Greece, it was considered a divine gift from the goddess Athena. Olympic athletes were crowned with olive wreaths. Sacred oil lit temples and embalmed heroes. In Rome, olive oil was so valuable, it replaced coins in paying taxes. Every villa had its own oil press. Soldiers were paid in amphorae of oil, and it powered lamps that lit the empire. This golden liquid was medicine, currency, and a blessing. Far more than food. And while today it may seem ordinary, the process behind every bottle remains extraordinary. The story begins each autumn, often between October and December, in the world's oldest cultivated landscapes. Some of these trees are centuries old, gnarled trunks twisted like sculpture, roots sunk deep into dry, stony soil. Here, machines wait their turn. The first harvest is done by hand, slowly, carefully. Farmers use comb-like tools to brush the olives into nets. In modern groves, vibrating harvesters gently shake the fruit loose. The goal? Pick them at the exact right moment, when acidity is low and oil content is high. This isn't just farming, it's timing, instinct, and deep respect for the land. From the grove to the mill, time is critical. Once harvested, the olives must be processed within 24 hours to prevent oxidation. Trucks roll into small family-run mills and high-tech cooperatives alike. There's a moment of pause. The air is filled with the sharp, fruity scent of fresh olives. Each load is sorted, leaves and twigs are blown away. Then, a water bath cleanses the fruit, preparing it for transformation. Traditionally, olives were ground under massive granite stones. Today, high-speed steel mills have taken their place, but the principle remains the same. The entire olive, skin, flesh and pit, is crushed into a thick green paste. The aroma? Intense, herbal, almost spicy. This paste is the foundation of all olive oil. From here, the art begins. The paste is gently stirred in large mixers in a process called malaxation. This is where the magic happens, where microscopic oil droplets merge into larger ones. The room is quiet. The paste is warm, but never hot. Why? Because true extra virgin olive oil must be cold-pressed, kept below 27 degrees Celsius, to preserve flavor, antioxidants, and nutritional power. This step can last 30 to 45 minutes, and it's the most delicate part of the journey. Next, the paste is spun in a centrifuge at up to 6,000 revolutions per minute. No heat, no chemicals, just force and gravity. The water and solids are pulled away, leaving behind a golden stream, olive oil in its purest form. This liquid is filtered, or sometimes left slightly cloudy, called olio nuovo, prized for its bold, peppery. The final stage is bottling, but even now, olive oil is fragile. It's sensitive to light, heat, and air. That's why high-quality oil is stored in dark bottles, stainless steel drums, or even clay jars. Each bottle is labeled with its origin, acidity level, and harvest date, a fingerprint of the grove it came from. Today, olive oil is in nearly every kitchen, but behind each bottle is a story of sun-drenched groves, generations of farmers, and the subtle dance between tradition and technology. It is not just cooking oil, it is culture, health, legacy. The same oil that lit ancient lamps now brightens our plates. Thank you for joining us on this journey, from ancient roots to modern factories. Subscribe to Built by Machines for more stories of how nature and technology shape the things we use every day. We'll see you in the next one.